All right, let's make this super quick and easy patriotic decor. I have this from Michael's, but the other supplies are all going to be from Dollar Tree. It's like an embroidery hoop. You can use a regular type of embroidery hoop, but I thought this was cute because it was like oval, and then it has like that faux wood look on the outside there. The bandanas, they come from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2. I'm going to go with this print right here, but they have them in several different prints. The beads, the stars, all from Dollar Tree. So you can grab those all for $1.25. The stars are cute. They have extra little beads on those too. So first, you're just going to take, and you're going to lay out your bandana for whichever placement you want. You can use regular fabric, scraps. You can use a bunch of things. And you can also do this for different seasons, different holidays. And like I said, it's super quick, super easy. But once you get the placement of the fabric, then you're just going to take and you're going to put on that faux wood ring. If you were using a regular embroidery hoop, you would do it the same way. You would just tighten it up because, usually with the embroidery hoops, you twist a little piece and it tightens it up. I'm just going to get everything into place. And then once you have everything into place, you can fold it over, secure it down. You can put a little bit of glue to secure it down and then cut off the excess. You can do whatever you want, but you want to make sure that just everything stays in place. But that is the placement that I did choose for that. And then, like I said, once you're ready to do it, I wanted to make sure everything was good before I cut off the excess. Then you can go on to the next step. You can decorate this in so many different ways. The beads, they would look cute wrapped around it. They would look cute with the tassel and the little map piece in front. I'm just going to cut those off and then attach the beads in the back. You want to make sure the beads are secure and that the string is secure too. So if you're going to cut these off, you want to make sure that the beads just don't go flying off. You want to make sure you secure that. You can tie it again. You can glue it down so that it can't move. But whatever way you do it, you just want to make sure the beads stay in place and use a good amount of glue so that you can hang this up, because that's the point of the beads there, to be able to hang it up. This is cute as is. You can just hang this just like this. I would have liked to add some wording, but I didn't have any really cute wording to put in there, but some wording right there, like some little wood blocks or something, will look really nice. But I'm just going to go with something quick and simple, which is going to be, I'm going to take the tassel that was on the end of the beads. I'm going to put that down. Like I said, you could put that at the top, the way that it was attached to the beads, and just glue it in the front. This little ribbon I made, I got these ribbons from Michael's. They were on sale, and they come with all 3 of the ribbons on the roll, and then you can just use them as is. They come white, red, and blue on the roll. Super cute, super easy. But I'm going to go with these pieces right here. I'm just going to glue those down, and those are the pieces, again, that came with the beads. I'm just going to place those. The bow does kind of cover the USA sign, but we know it's there, so it's good. It's fine. And that is it. This is super quick, super easy. And like I said, you can do this for so many different seasons, so many different holidays. I like the way the little wood decor piece looks around the end, because it gives kind of like that antique look. But if you like, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And that is it for that quick and easy decor piece.